Welcome to FeedOps. In this quick demo, we'll show you how to use the import and export feature in FeedOps to efficiently update product attributes like GTIN. Why use the import and export feature? Keeping your product feed accurate and up to date is crucial for optimizing performance. If key attributes like GTIN are missing, manually updating each product can be time-consuming. Instead, FeedOps allows you to quickly export your product data, update it in a spreadsheet, and re-import the updated file, saving you time and effort. Exporting your product feed. To begin, navigate to the product screen in FeedOps and click the column button on the right. This will open a selection panel where you can search for the attribute you want to edit. For example, if you need to add GTINs to your product feed, search for GTIN, click Add to include it in your table, and hit Save. Use the Filter option to find products missing this attribute. Click on the Filter button and set a condition like GTIN is empty to narrow down the list of products that need updating. Once filtered, click the Export button. This will generate a file containing only the selected products with selected columns, making it easy to update them in bulk. Open the exported file in Excel, Google Sheets, or any spreadsheet tool and update the missing GTIN values. Importing the updated file. Once you have updated the GTIN values, return to FeedOps and click on Import from the Table Action menu. From the drop-down menu, select the source of your updated file. FeedOps supports various file formats including comma-separated.csv, tab-separated.txt or .tsv, extensible markup language.xml. If you are using Google Sheets, select it from the drop-down and sign in when prompted. Allow FeedOps to access your files, then select the sheet that contains your updated product data. Once the sheet is selected, choose the correct worksheet. For example, Sheet 1. Mapping product attributes. Before finalizing the import, check that product attributes are mapped correctly. If you exported the file from FeedOps and are importing it back, the mapping will be automatic. However, if you are using a custom spreadsheet, ensure that column names match FeedOps attributes like GTIN, brand, and title. Matching the product ID is essential. This allows FeedOps to apply updates to the correct products without creating duplicates. Once you've verified everything, click Save to start the import process. FeedOps will apply the updates, and your product feed will be refreshed with the latest data. With FeedOps, keeping your product feed accurate and optimized is simple and efficient.
Head to feedops.com to learn more and unlock the full potential of your e-commerce strategy today.